We have to find the sum. In the first example, we have negative 62 plus 36. We have addition of integers with different signs. So first we check which of number is greater, 62 or 36. 62, of course, is greater than 36. So next we check the sign before the greater number is negative. So we copy this negative sign. We open parentheses and we just subtract from the greater number smaller. So 62 minus 36. So this is equal. Negative sign we have to rewrite, and we have 62 minus 36. This is 26. So the answer is negative 26. Next example, negative 35 plus 70. Again, addition of integers with different sign. First, we check which of number is greater, 70 or 35. 70 is greater than 35. So next we check the sign before the greater number is positive. So we copy this positive sign. In parentheses, we just subtract from the greater number smaller. So we have 70 minus 35. So this is equal, positive sign we can rewrite, and we have 70 minus 35 is 35. We never write positive signs, so this is just 35. Next example, we have 4 plus negative 200. Again, we have addition of integers with different signs. First is positive, second is negative. First we check which of numbers is greater. 200 is greater than 4, so we check the sign before the greater number is negative. So we copy this negative sign, and in parentheses we just subtract from the greater number, so 200 minus 4 we have. Negative sign we copy, 200 minus 4 is 196. So the answer will be negative 196. So this is my solution.